Hi, I am K. Sridhar, studied in CSCA section. I am explaining about topic is computer networks, fundamental concepts of computer networks. Data communication. The term telecommunication means communication at the distance. The word data refers to information present in whatever from the agree upon the parties creating using the data. Data communication or the exchange of the data between the two devices use some form transmissions media such as wire cable or wireless delivery correct distance accuracy accurate data timelines data time transmission jitter uneven delay. Next topic is discuss in the sections components data representation data flow. Components in the figure, five components of data communication. One is message, second one is sender, third one is receiver, fourth one is medium, fifth one is rules protocols. See the diagram. Next one is data representation. It has a five text, number, image, audio, video. See the diagram. Data flow, simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Next one is networks. A network is a set of a device nodes connected by a communication links. A node can be a computer, printer or any other device cables of sending or receiving data generating by other nodes in a networks. Topics discussed in this section. Distributed processing, network criteria, physical structure, network model, categories of networks, interconnection of networks. Type of connections: point to point connection, multi points. Point to point connection see in first diagram. A dedicated link of provided between the two devices. Next one is multi points. See the diagram. More than two specific devices share a single link. Next one is physical topology. Topology is a five type: mesh, star, bus, ring, and a tree. Explain about mesh topology. Every device has a detected point to point link to the every other devices. Dedicated link areas traffic only between the two devices in connects. A full connected mesh network has a n physical network channels to link a device. Every device on a network must have two n-1 input and output ports. Advantages: less traffic, robust, secure, easy to maintain. Disadvantages: read more resources, cables and parts expensive. This is the mesh topology. Next one is star topology. Each device has a dedicated point to point link only to a central controller, usually called a hub. No direct traffic and link between devices. Advantages: less expensive, easy to install and recognition. Next, robustness. Disadvantages: single point of a failures. Next one is bus topology. A multi-point topology. All devices are linked through a backbone cable. Nodes are connected to bus cable by drop lines and tops. Drop lines: a connection running between a device and the main cable top. A connector that they either specially into their main cable or punches the shitters of a cable to create a contact with the metallic core. Advantages: easy to installation. Disadvantages: difficult reconnection and fault isolations. Broken or fault of the bus cable stops all transmissions. Next one is ring topology. See the diagram. Each device is a dedicated point to point connection only within the two devices or either side of it. A single is a passed along the ring is the direction from the device to device until it reaches its destination. Each device is in the ring encrypted to repeated. This is advantages was relatively easy to install and reconfigure. Fault isolation is simplified. Disadvantage is unidirectional traffic. Next one is tree topology. Tree topology is integrated multiple topologies in together. See the diagram. Explain. Example. Tree topology integrates multiple star topology together onto a bus. Advantages: point-to-point writing for individual segments, supported by several hardware and software vendors. Disadvantages: overall length of each segment is limited by the type of cabling uses. If the backbone lines breaks, the entire segment goes down. More difficult to configure and wire than other topologies. Next one is a hybrid topology, a star backbone within the tree bus networks. See the diagram. Next one is categories of networks: local area network, wireless local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. An isolated LAN connected 12 computers to hub in the closest. Next is WANs. A switched WAN and a point-to-point WAN. See the diagram. Explain. Next one is interconnection of networks. Internets. A heterogeneous network made of 4 WANs and LANs. See the diagram. Easy to understand. Next one is the internet. The internet has changed many concepts of our daily lives. It has affected by the way we business as well as the way of the spend your leisure time. The internet is a communication system that has brought a wealth of information to our fingertips and organized it for our users. Topics discussed into the section. Briefly, history, the internet today. Next one is hierarchical organization of internets. See the diagram, easy to understand. Structure 1 is structure of the national ISP, interconnection of national ISPs. Next one is protocols and standards. Protocols and standards. Protocol is a synonymous with rules, standards and agreed upon rules. Topics discussed into the sections: protocols, standards, standardizations, organizations, internets, standards. Protocols. The syntax is format of the data. Synonyms is meaning of the each section, timing when data should have to send how much of a standard, de facto by fact, de jure by law. Standard organization. International Organization of Standard ISO. International Telecommunication Union Telecommunication Standard ITU. American National Standard Institution ANSI. Institution of Electrical and Electronical Engineering IEEE. Electric Industrial Association. This is our tech talk topic. Thank you.